In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Gmail credentials in n8n step by step. By the end, you'll have a secure Gmail connection ready to use across your workflows without any guesswork. First, open your n8n dashboard. On the left pane, look for the Personal section. Inside there, go to the Credentials tab. This is where all your connections live, and keeping them organized here makes it easy to reuse them across different workflows. In the top right, click Create Credential. This starts a guided setup so you don't have to wire things manually. In the search box that appears, type Gmail OAuth2 API. Select it from the results, then click Continue. Choosing the Gmail OAuth2 option ensures you're using Google's secure sign-in method, which is the recommended way to authorize access to your Gmail account from n8n. Now you'll see a form asking for the credentials needed for the API connection. Give your credential a clear name so you can recognize it later, especially if you'll have multiple Gmail connections for different projects or environments. You'll also see fields for items like the client ID and client secret. These are provided by your Google Cloud project and allow n8n to request permission to access Gmail on your behalf. If your n8n instance shows a redirect URL, keep it exactly as displayed, since that's how Google will send the authorization response back to n8n. If there's a place to specify scopes, choose only what you need to keep access minimal and secure. Double-check everything you've entered for typos, as small mistakes can cause authorization errors later. When you're confident the details are correct, click Save. That's it. Your Gmail credential is now stored securely in n8n. If you ever need to update it, you can come back to this same Credentials tab and edit it without changing your workflows. With the credential saved, you can now use the connection to create nodes in your n8n workflows. When you add a Gmail-related node, look for the Credentials or Authentication field and select the credential name you just created. From there, your node can send emails, read messages, or perform other Gmail actions according to the permissions you set. And that's all. You've successfully added Gmail credentials in n8n. Keep your credential names clear, limit scopes to what you truly need, and you'll have a clean, secure setup that's easy to maintain as your automations grow.